In this video, I will show you how to fix a media drive your computer needs is missing. Click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Now here, generic USB hub, right click on it, update driver, browse my computer for drivers, select, let me pick from a list of available drivers, select it and next. Now close it and restart. So this is the basic way guys you can fix and resolve a media drive your computer needs is missing. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.